Chapter 4, this part here must be in bold. And your chapter 4 must be answers or results of your objectives. So, dapat yung pagkasunod-sunod natin dito is like this. Yung result, kung paano nyo sinagot yung profile, that is number 1. And then, kung paano nyo sinagot tong what are the knowledge and attitudes. And then, the difference, So, dito sa chapter 4 ninyo, this must be number 1, profile variables. So, yung tables nyo dito dapat, get rid of these parts. Yung age, ganun. It's table 1.1. Then, tulad na napag-usapan kanina, it's not only the presentation of results, but you need to also discuss on and interpret the data according to other studies or related studies. Kung ano yung kinalaman niya dun sa mismong title ninyo. So, ano ngayon kung ang pinakamarami na age bracket is 41 to 50 years old. So, anong ibig sabihin noon sa knowledge and attitudes ng mga tao sa communicable diseases? So, same as this part, lahat ng profile niya, table 1.2, table 1.3, table 1.4 na to, table 1.5, table 1.6, table 1.7, table 1.8. Then, pag nandito na kayo sa knowledge and attitudes, that's already table 2. Since number 2 objective niyo, what are the knowledge, attitudes, and practices of the persons deprived of liberty on communicable respiratory ailments and diseases. So, dito, dapat knowledge ng inmates muna. Kindly check yung mga title nyo kasi hindi siya clear kung ito ba is yung knowledge ng inmates or ng officers. So, you start with knowledge ng inmates. Then, nawawala yung table nyo ng knowledge for the other group. Hindi ko alam kung officers or inmates. And then, attitudes ng inmates. Kung attitude ng inmates yan. And then, attitudes ng officers. So, that is table 1, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. Then, just the same, katulad nung sa demographic profile nyo, you should not only describe or present the data. You need to discuss yung result niya. So, after here, meron pa siyang mga discussion. Then, cite kung saan nakuha yung discussion na yun. And then, table 3, yung next na, the comparison. Andito na siya. So, here, you also need to discuss. Then, table 4, you need to discuss. So, make sure yung table heading ninyo is in bold siya. For your chapter 5, chapter 5, summary, conclusions, recommendations should be in bold. Going back to chapter 4, wala akong nakikitang details nyo on practices. Knowledge lang and attitudes. Walang nakalagay na practice. So, kung hindi nyo na-check yon, we might as well delete it from chapter 1, chapter 2 and 3, chapter 4, and chapter 5. Kasi sa chapter 5, biglang meron kayong practices ulit. For your summary, this is summary of objectives, methods, and results. So, yung nakalagay lang dito is results summary lang. Until here. Dapat very quickly, isang sentence, dalawa, isang paragraph for objectives, isang paragraph for methods, then isang paragraph for results. Itong mga to. Then for your conclusion, kanina nga, we remove all of this one already. Go already sa answers ng sa objectives ninyo. Answers dito sa objectives ninyo. So, siya na yung andito. Yun yung nagulat ako, biglang meron kayong practices na wala naman dun sa results ninyo. If meron, ilagay. Kung wala, tatanggalin natin lahat ng practices. And then, recommendation, ganun, tatanggalin dito. Should be in the left part. Then, after recommendation, your bibliography should be in APA format. Your letters, kung nagpa-ethics board kayo, sabi nyo sa methodology, may ethics clearance. And then, meron kayong letter kay Dean, letter sa, lahat ng letters, this one is yung mga na-sign na you scan it or you take a picture then sa kanyo i-attach dito sa mismong format din natin. Same as yung mga documentations nyo, dapat meron siyang mga caption. And for your questionnaire, same. Yung questionnaire is, pipicturean nyo and then ilalagay nyo dito sa format natin. Then your curriculum vitae.